For today's Science Saturday, we are doing Fizz Fizz Pop. If you want to celebrate the 4th with some family-friendly science activities, you can make fireworks in a jar, or baking soda-powered explosions, and even a rocket. For our first experiment, we're going to do baking soda bag explosions. And the materials that you need for this are baking soda, a cup of vinegar, a plastic Ziploc bag, a tissue or paper towel. All you have to do is pour a cup of vinegar into a Ziploc bag, about 2 tablespoons of baking soda into the center of a tissue, fold it like an envelope, and then drop the tissue bomb into the bag, but zip it closed quickly. Put the bag on the ground or on a table, step back, and watch it inflate and burst. If you want more details with illustrations, you can click here. I'll provide links, and the link to this page will be in the description box below. But let's take a look at the experiment in action. So you have your bag full of vinegar there, of a cup full of vinegar. You're going to have your folded tissue of baking soda. You're going to hold it so it doesn't get wet and seal the top of the bag tight. Make sure it's all tightly sealed. And once you've done that, you'll let it drop and get wet. Give it a shake. Step back and wait for the gases to build up. Now you could put some food coloring in there if you wanted to make it colorful. Just make sure it's somewhere you don't mind getting messy. And then once the gas is built up to a certain amount and that becomes wet, pop, you have your explosion. For our next science activity, you can make a baking soda rocket. The materials that you need are an empty bottle, baking soda, vinegar, a cork that will fit in the bottle, and you can have safely attached decorations are optional if you want to make it sparkly. Safety glasses if you wish, sunglasses work too. And then you step outside in an open area, you place the baking soda in the bottom of the bottle, you pour vinegar into the bottle, then place the cork in the bottle, step back and wait for the gases to build up and pop the cork. Let's take a look. Here you see our scientists with their protective eye gear on. You add the vinegar to a bottle that has baking soda in it, and the gases will build up again, and then you cork it right there. And if you see, you can add some decorations to it if you like, and make sure they're tightly secured. So you want to tightly secure the bottle, and then wait for the gases to build up, and pop! There it goes. And the next activity that you can choose from is you can make your own fireworks in a glass. All you need is a glass of warm water, food coloring, some cooking oil, and a fork. Add food coloring drops to your oil. Agitate with a fork to break the drops up. Slowly pour the oil into the water. Now wait and watch. Pretty cool. You'll have your own fireworks show right in the jar. Try it out for yourself. I'll put links to this video in the description box below.